Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use voice notes on Instagram DMs. So first we'll just go to our Instagram, and then we will go into the icon of DMs. Then once we click on that icon, you just need to choose which chats you want to use the voice notes. Okay, I'm choosing that one. Sorry, that one. Alright, so once you're in that chat, you just need to press and hold that icon of mic icon, and hold it just like that. And once you are finished, you just need to or just tap on it, and once you are finished, you just need to click on that icon to send that audio. So you can also click on and you can also tap on it and hold it app up, I mean, just like that, and it will be recorded. And once you are finished of speaking or making the voice notes, you can just also click on that icon and let that voice notes or that audio, you can let it go. Okay, so it's so simple. As you can see, it's so easy to be done. So anyways guys, if you find that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.